chicken. You're gonna pick it up?
These are the people that are involved. Like, our ambulance came, they said they weren't.
Officer Tase's partner.
What happened? Hello?
Oh my.
I said twice. What happened?
Calm down.
We're trying to figure out. We're trying to find the person.
Who's the driver?
We're trying to find him.
Who drove? Which one of you three was driving the car?
We wasn't driving. That's what we're trying to
So the other one just mysteriously vanished in air?
Yeah.
Okay. You think I'm gonna believe that?
I don't know what you want to believe.
Whose car is it?
I mean, well, you can't prove that somebody was driving unless there's cameras.
Yes, no. Alright, you aggravated me.
Oh my. You trying to take me, but stop!
What are you?
Pull away from me.
Bree, get my phone!
What are you detaining him
Get my
for?
phone.
You're obviously not in a good idea right this second.
Stop!
Hey! Stop! Yep.
Taser, I'm gonna stop.
Friendly fire just occurred when another officer fired her taser. When a taser is deployed, two separate
That's
probes
low-key
are
karma.
fired. One probe
That's
hit the
karma.
suspect while the other hit the officer.
Like, he
who's on
got
the
too
ground
aggressive
with
with these people and got tased.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, man, you better back.
Dude, come on,
Back.
my shoes. All right, I'm back.
Get us some more cars up here now. Back! Now! Back! You go back!
Oh my God, calm down.
Back up!
Yeah, y'all gotta get him out of there. He's
Back now! Back up! Now! Back!
I'm right here.
Back!
You me into someone else's
Back!
property. What's your name and
Back!
badge number? Ma'am, they just tased me.
Yeah, he did, because you were fighting with an officer.
I'm not fighting. Come on, be calm.
Stand up!
He's got everything on him. He's still got nails in his car. Bree!
Turn around. Stand against the car.
I'm not.
Turn around and stand against the car.
I am. I don't have nothing on me. Bree! Bree, are you gonna help me?
You're under arrest for drinking and driving.
what is she gonna hurt you for? Help you for?
Are you gonna help me?
What did he say that he was arrested for?
Back up!
Bree!
Let's see.
Are you gonna help me?
Back up now or you're going to jail.
Hey! Bree, are you gonna help me?
You're under arrest for drinking and driving.
Okay.
How did you prove that he was the one
You
driving?
gonna help me?
You can't just pick somebody out of the crowd and say you were the one driving.
You're going to jail.
You have to prove they were driving. He beat that
Everybody
easy.
Back up now. Charlie 37 started boss. That motherfucker bit me like an animal.
He bit you?
Yeah, all through here. Lit me up under here. You gotta take this out for me, will you?
He must have something, like they must have called in that he was the driver.
Can we get a band-aid on it?
You, come with me. Go over here.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick me or poke me?
No.
Nothing?
Why is she getting searched? Why is she
Those other two are
detained?
gonna go to jail here in a second. Back up!
I'm on the sidewalk.
Did you? I told. All right.
I'm on the sidewalk. Man, what's the?
He's on a public sidewalk. There is
Go
no
to jail too.
like
I said,
caution tape or nothing. Boy, y'all violating rights.
mother.
I have my hands on you, push my head down like that? Oh my God, I'm not moving anything! Come on, dog, look at me! I'm proud you're looking at me like that, like I'm a criminal. This is bullshit. I didn't do shit.
It's called misconduct in an emergency.
I didn't do anything, dude. Nothing.
How many times can somebody tell you to go
I'm on a
back?
pop-
I told you to move
I
back
didn't know what
10
you told me.
times.
How you gonna look at me like that and do nothing,
Oh,
dude?
y'all
You're
getting
all
sued.
police officer. You fucking suck. What the fuck is this? The
Go
hell's
for
on the
misconduct in an
sidewalk?
emergency, will you? The other one comes back, he goes too.
Silver 2014 Chevy.
Can you check him out? He was tasered. One in the back of that car.
This guy right here.
I don't know if he got it or not.
I got him. Brooklyn got you, just so you know.
Brooklyn got me.
Yeah, that wasn't me who shot you.
You guys
Oh
deployed
yeah,
all
you gotta
this?
make sure you tell them it wasn't you.
That's what I thought.
Put Brooklyn out there like that. Where Brooklyn at?
I got taser.
You did?
Yeah. Molly lit me up.
Well, I'll wake you up. There you go, Amber.
Brooklyn didn't tase. You tased me. I tased him.
No, Brooklyn tased.
Brooklyn swears up and down they did not
He
tase.
tased and it hit your arm. Heather watched all of it.
Well, they're saying they didn't shoot taser.
Yeah.
I'm
I
telling
shot
you.
the second one.
You got me in the arm.
That wasn't me. Heather literally watched it.
It
Are
was
you
you,
guys sure
man.
nobody tased from you guys?
It was
You
you.
guys didn't deploy tasers at all?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, he bit the shit out of me.
For fuck's sake. That was disgusting.
Yeah, he bit the shit out of me.
Are you kidding?
That's him biting me.
Probably got skin for sure.
Oh, yeah. You're bleeding.
Yeah, you got me in the arm.
My bad.
I got him.
You were on top of him.
Well, yeah, because he was biting me.
Yeah, that's when I got him. He stopped afterwards.
They're drunk. They hit a pole.
How did you prove he was the one driving?
Or was it just stuck in his pants?
In his leg, yeah. Yeah, he had one in his leg and you got me in the arm.
I didn't mean to. I was like, you guys were on top of each other. I'm
Damn,
sorry.
I really thought that for me, I thought that guy got you.
Your partner put you out, said that you were the
I
one
heard
who
somebody else
tased
taser,
him.
so I said, okay.
Yeah, I was yelling for everybody else to know.
My bad.
I started yelling.
Sorry.
The first suspect that was arrested was charged with driving under a suspended license, driving under the influence, resisting arrest, and felony assault on a police officer. The second suspect was charged with misconduct at an emergency scene and resisting arrest. They are both innocent unless proven guilty
All
in a
those
court of
getting
law.
dropped.